Advanced process nodes, new materials and packaging, and shorter time to market windows, with growing quality requirements, are impacting test time and complexity. Utilizing machine learning and big data analytics to deliver device insights will fundamentally improve the economics of test, but new solutions are required to make this a reality. Enter Teradyne's Archimedes Analytics Solution, an open development platform that enables real-time analytics in a secure environment. With a trusted bidirectional data stream that accelerates time to impact by extending real-time analytics to and from the tester, dynamic test optimization and manufacturing-level enhancements are a reality. Deploy Teradyne's UltraEdge 2000 to extend real-time analysis to the edge of the network, enabling optimizations during the test flow process while delivering a natively secure environment that eliminates exposure to the risks present with cloud-based solutions. While our platform will work with the analytics solution of your choice, our tight integration with leading analytics providers ensures fast time to analysis and quick implementation. With Teradyne's Archimedes Analytics Solution, the vision of real-time analytics and inline test optimizations becomes a reality. Learn more at teradyne.com/analytics.